We are now approaching planet Mars. Put on your helmet and get ready for landing. Are you okay? That was quite a landing you had there. You've had a long journey, but after 6 months, you finally made it.
Wow! Why is the soul and the sky so red?
Mars is called the Red Planet because it's covered with a lot of rust. Stop! You can't take your helmet off here because there's no oxygen.
Phew! That was close. What's that? I thought we were all alone.
It's the rover.
Of course, but I can't understand what he's saying.
He's on the wrong setting. He's got a button behind his head. If you press it, you can choose his language.
Konnichiwa. Watashi no namae wa Ruby desu. Anata no namae wa nan desu ka? Ii o tenki desu ne.
Hello. What are you doing here?
We've just landed. We're on a mission to explore Mars. What are you here for?
My mission is to find life on Mars and report it to the humans on Earth. The only thing I found so far is water, but that is a good start. Plants and vegetation can't grow here. You need to build a greenhouse to grow plants so that you can have food to survive.
Cool! How long have you been here?
About 5 years. In Earth time, of course. In Mars time, that's around 2.5 years. It's so lovely to see people because I've been on my own for so long.
The sun is coming up. It must be morning on Mars.
Not quite. The sky is only blue during sunrise and sunset on Mars. During the day, the sky is red. Now, it's time for you to start your first mission.